YouTube, what's going on? This is JT Black, my garage time. Black garage time. Black garage time. What's up, everybody? This is JT. Welcome back to the channel. To all my new subbers, welcome to my channel. All right, so I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. So in the last video, I asked, if anybody would like to see me unbox this video, and I'm so happy that y'all wanted to see it because I really wanted to see what was in it. So we're gonna go ahead and dig right into it. Once again, this is a Massey Ferguson 2680-124 scale by Heller. And it seems to be, I guess, a 1982 through 85 model. So these are the recommended plates. So it only has 45 pieces it has. And let me look at one more thing. Let's see. So this was released, look like, in 2018. And let's see. That's a different language. I was trying to see where was it manufactured at, but it don't say. So that wrapper, I took it off. I promise you, y'all, I hadn't even opened this box. I just took the wrap out. So let's see what's in it. So it looks like we got instructions right here. That's what it looks like. Yep, that's what it looks like. Well, no, it's just giving you some basic instructions. Look like it. It looks like it's just giving you some basic instructions. So hopefully, my stand is broke, y'all. That I keep my phone on. So let's see. Oh no! All right, let's look. So it has no bags. I don't think coming bag is the clip piece. So this is how everything comes right here. So everything look like this in the bag is the cab. Is the cab windows and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Got so it's got the cab windows and stuff in it. Got the mirrors already attached to it. Look like it. Got a wiper molded in the window. Turn it down. And so here's a decal sheet. Real simple decal sheet. So there's the nose of it, the hood. Got the exhaust pipe already in it. Looks like it may be a fender or something here. And there's the seat. The seat come in half, so here's the other half to it. And they have an armrest on both sides. With the look like it has an air ride seat. So there's the wheel, and This is, I'm guessing this goes to, yeah, this is your exhaust. So that's a half of the exhaust. And there's the engine and transmission halves. So it's got everything already on it. It's got the I'm guessing this is the radiator, but it's got all the engine parts and stuff attached to it already, so you won't have to do no. See, there's a starter right here. Fuel pump, oil filter, all the good stuff is all right here. You see half of your fan. I mean your pulley assembly here with the belt that's right here, and there's the other half right here, like with the alternator and stuff on it. So these are some fenders here, and why is there a grill on here? Oh, that might be for the back. Right here, looks like a grill for the front of a car. So these are suspension parts here. All these parts are suspension parts. And there's the wheels. There's the wheels. Some stuff fell out of here. So here's the dash with your controls. I mean your accelerator and clutch and e-brake. Looks like it. I don't think this tractor has. I think it's probably the e-brake, the brake, and maybe this is PTO thing to engage it. You mash it down. I guess it might be the clutch for that. I don't know. I have no idea what this little part is. This would be the back of the tractor itself. That's where those wheels go. So we got rubber tires. No name, but there's the front one. And I don't know what that is. This is for your ring in. So we have the instructions. It's paper, right paper, but it's in color. So you got simple instructions. I want you to start off with the rear first. No, the front. This is the front. Look like, yeah, that's the front because it's the front steer. So by the looks of it, the wheels, the steer wheels, look like they go back and forth. I was gonna say they really don't give you detailed information, but hell, with 45 pieces, you really don't need to be. It really don't need to be detailed information. So there's your cab, your rear tires, your rear suspension, seat. Your exhaust. Yeah. So just simple instructions. So man, I can't lie. I really want to put this thing together, but I know as of right now, it's not a good time for me to do so. So I'm not going to even mess with it now. So like the engine, you probably don't even have to paint the engine. Let me see. Yeah, so most of that stuff that's this dark color right here, you don't even have to paint. You just paint the stuff that the other stuff, you know, because it's the same color almost. You know, if you look at it, and look at this stuff here, it's basically the same color. So you know, a lot of this stuff you won't have to paint, especially the wheels. You don't have to paint the wheels. I'm trying to see what goes. Y'all want me to do a markup on this, don't it? I know y'all do. If y'all want to, just say so. I'll do a markup on it right quick. It ain't no thing. I do it. But I said I wasn't going to start, so I ain't going to do no markup. Because if I do a markup, I'm going to want to... I want to build it, so... Alright, y'all. That's it. That's all. That's the unboxing of the Massey Ferguson 22680 by Heller. So that's it, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you all for watching. I'm out. Okay, y'all. I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist the mock-up. I had to do it. I had to do it. And let me tell y'all, this is a cool kit. It basically snaps together. You're not gonna need no glue at all. It just snaps together. Everything snaps together. So easy. This moves up and down. You can lower it down. We got the different notches on it right here. I'm gonna tell y'all, I gotta blame somebody for this. So the ones in that last video that say, yeah, I want to see it unboxed, I want to see it unboxed, it's y'all fault. Yeah, I gotta blame somebody for it. So the wheels turn. The wheels steer. And these fenders also move a little bit, but the wheels steer left and right. Let me show you another cool thing about this. It's got the suspension, you know, like if you riding, let's see. Let me use an example. What can I use as an example? That's too big. Let's see. I know I can use something here. Perfect. Let's see. So it's got the suspension on it. That's cool. Good for posing. And also, the door open up for the cabin. And it does roll. This is cool. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and paint this and build this up, but not right now. I'm gonna paint it and build it up, but not right now. Like I say, it's only a few parts that need to be painted. Well, you gotta black out your grill, and it's a little work, but oh man, not much. Not much. Not much to do. Got the mirrors and everything right here, so I couldn't resist it, y'all. I just had to do it. I'm finna ready to go in now, but I had to do that. So, like I say, I gotta blame somebody for it. So the people who say they wanted to unbox it, it's y'all fault. And if y'all just so happen to see this thing red and painted up with decals on it sometime this week, y'all mind y'all business, okay? All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.